Hello and welcome to the Champions Channel on PowerSchool TV. I'm Mike Lawrence, Senior Director of Educator Engagement here at PowerSchool, and I'm thrilled that you're here at our Champions Channel. What are our champions, you might ask? Well, they're our most enthusiastic customers that use all of these potential software solutions. They are superintendents, CFOs, HR directors, of course, teachers, instructional leaders, principals, and IT professionals. All of those educators have solutions they use, so we put them into 4 solution channels. The Classroom Champion that supports Schoology and all of the other amazing tools we have for the classroom. Administration Champions that support finance and business. Talent Champions that support all of our HR solutions. And of course, Student Information Champions that support SIS and enrollment solutions. All of these different types of educators can become champions, and all of them represent people like you. Those people have stories they want to share. Those stories could take many different forms. They could be a tip or a trick. They could become a lesson. They could be a strategy. They could also be a process or a procedure. They could be a success or failure. They could be the learning that you get from that. And ultimately, all of those are stories. And we're looking to share those with you here on the Champions Channel at PowerSchool TV. I'm so glad you're here. We hope you can join us at powerschool.com/champions.